Welcome back to Killer Cutlass Racing. Today I am going to show you how to edit and create your own thumbnail for your videos. So let's go. Click on this website. I'll leave the link in the description. It's called befunky.com. Get it running for a second. See, you have the upload from anywhere over here, save stuff. So we're just gonna take a random image from the internet. So let's type in Killer Cutlass Racing. Of course, it comes up cars because our channel isn't big yet. So we're just going to click on this, right click on the mouse, go down to save image as, hit save. Oh my God. Freaking ad. Hit save. It'll save down here to the JPG if you look at my mouse. Go back to befunky, hit upload, computer, find your file, and you can do anything. You can crop it. But the most important stuff is the effects. Like you can do anything. Apply that. And if you see this yellow plus right here, this is my free trial thing. If you click on the plus, wait, what the heck? Oh, go up to upgrade now. If you can see. See, it's like $2.99 like a month or something, $2.91. And it says billed yearly. I don't understand that because it says $2.91 a month. So it must be like one whole bill every year. So you can do that if you want to get fancy. You can add borders. Graphics. Text. Most importantly, text. You just click on it. Make it as big as you want. So pretty much the sky's the limit on this app. And what you want to do is you would want to hit save to computer. Save on the same file. Get to your YouTube channel. And Creator Studio. So like anyone you want to add it to, I'll just click on one. I'm not gonna actually add it. Make sure you go check us out, Fortnite on Xbox 360. It's great. It's a real big hit right now. So you're gonna want to hit edit. Oh, that's a bad example. Hold on. Yeah, this is a good example right here. It says custom thumbnail right here. Click on custom thumbnail. Find your file. And there it is right there. So this is all for Killer Cutlass Racing. Make sure you like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I will be posting reaction videos, technology fix videos, how-to videos, and woodwork videos and everything. So make sure you subscribe, like, and we'll have some fun together on this wonderful YouTube channel, and everybody can see us grow. Peace out. This was Killer Cutlass Racing. See ya.